What's up, boss babes? This your girl, Boss Lady B, coming back with another entrepreneur video. But before I get into the video, I want to thank everyone for clicking on this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the thumbs up, hit the notification so you know when your girl dropping another video. For my subscribers that is already subscribed to my channel, hey boss babes, thank you for stopping by. You know your girl love you. Thank you for the support. And we're gonna get into this video. You remember I had did part 1, and I believe it in the description below of my unboxing, and I said part 2 was coming, but I couldn't wait to add this in part 2, so this is like a small unboxing. I couldn't wait. So I don't know if I'm gonna do a part 2 or I'm just going to unbox the next couple of packages that I'm get personally and just doing it in video, but I had to do it. So this is the box. Can you guess what it is? Your girl is adding matted liquid lipsticks, and your girl got the logo on the box. It's in black and gold. It has the ingredients in it or whatever, and it has the number, so I know when I write it down. So so we'll get back to those. I actually went through the boxes, so it won't be a long video. And I actually took all the colors that I got, which your girl got a lot of colors. So we're gonna get into that again. I'm adding 2 more lip gloss tubes. So it came in these little packages. My vendor kind of messed up. I wanted these tubes first, the gold tubes. I wanted them first, and then I changed my mind, and I got these tubes. But I guess it was a miscommunication, so she sent me half and half of what I ordered. So I'm adding these 2 tubes to my collection. So that's what's in the box, is tubes and then all my lipsticks and stuff like that. I will be doing a video once I go through and make sure they're all there. Of course, you know, I check that, but I will be doing a video of me, how I'm going to organize them, and I think I want to label the names on them or whatever. So I'm just going to take out the colors that I got. I got 10 colors that's going to drop on my website very, very soon. That's why you need to hit that notification button so you know when the relaunch is happening. I should have did this before, but I didn't. So we're gonna get this together, and the ones that I'm opening will be mine. Of course. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. So look at that's my logo. So this is one color. I'll do a couple of swatches on them. They are pigment as so. Like I said, I have this color. I have this pretty nude. It looks like the other one, like a lot like the other one, but it's this one right here. Y'all can see it. Hold on. So it's this one. And I have some purples. I guess I'll swatch a purple. But those are different tones of purple. Like if y'all really want me to swatch all of them, just leave it in the comments. But look at that purple. It's so pretty. I got this color. I got this brown. I got a name on them. Like I want a name on them. But this is a brown. Look at it. And they do dry matted. So you put that Boss Lady lip gloss on it and you're gonna be popping. You feel me? And I have a lot of nudes, I see. I got this color. I got this brownish looking color. And then, of course, your girl had to get pink. Let me do the swatch. My sister's going to flip out when she sees this pink one. Look at that pink, yes. So I added 10 new colors. And like I said, they're so cute. They're so cute. I'm just giving y'all the colors. For the colors. Which color is your favorite? What's your favorite color? They're so pretty. And I love my logo on it. Like, it's official. You feel me? It's official. Look. So look, those are swatches of my new colors. I didn't do all 10, but you get the picture. They are really pigmented and they dry matted. So you throw that lip gloss on. I'm wearing clear lip gloss. And I think I'm gonna do it when I first relaunch. You buy a lipstick, you get a free lip gloss or whatever. I don't know. I have a lot planned. So it is official. Boss Lady V Designs is dropping matted lipsticks. You see the box? And it's cute or whatever. Y'all seen the colors. I want to thank you so much for stopping by. I will be doing a video on me actually labeling them. I'll probably put the name of what I'm going to name them on here, and maybe on a box. I'm not sure at this time, but I'll probably put it on here so people know what color it was. So I am so glad that you guys stopped by to watch this video, and like I said, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button so you can see what is next and when your girl is going to relaunch. And my shop is open, it's just none of my new stuff is on there yet, and I'm kind of working on my website. So you need to stay tuned, hit that notification button so you know when the relaunch date will be. So thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, I really appreciate it. I'm gonna keep saying that. Thank you so much for support. Thank you for watching. Share this video. So until my next video, guys, thanks.